Welcome to SK Scientific and Surgicals, where innovation meets healthcare excellence. Join us on a journey through our state-of-the-art facilities and discover how we're revolutionizing the healthcare industry.
At SK Scientific and Surgicals, we're not just manufacturers, we're innovators. With over 30 years of experience and expertise, we have become a trusted name in the healthcare industry. Our commitment to excellence drives us to continually push boundaries and deliver cutting-edge solutions. We take pride in our certifications, including CE, ISO 9001-2008, ISO 13485-2003, and IEC, US FDA, EN 12469, and NSF ANSI 49-2016. These certifications are a testament to our commitment to quality and compliance with international standards. They also reflect our dedication to ensuring that our products meet the highest standards of safety and performance.
Our manufacturing facilities are located in Ambala, Cantt, India, and are spread over a vast area of 770,000 square meters. Our facilities are equipped with the latest machinery and technology, allowing us to streamline production and ensure efficiency. With a dedicated production floor, storage facilities, and administrative offices, our infrastructure is designed to support our manufacturing operations and meet the needs of our customers.
Our team of engineers and experts bring a wealth of knowledge and technical expertise to the table. From conceptualization to design and production, our engineers are involved in every step of the process. Their innovative approach and attention to detail ensure that our products meet the highest standards of quality and reliability. We use only the highest quality raw materials in the manufacturing of our products. Each material is carefully selected to meet our strict standards for durability, reliability, and safety. Our commitment to quality starts with the materials we use, ensuring that our products are built to last.
Our manufacturing process involves several key steps, each carefully designed to ensure the highest quality and reliability in our products. These steps include raw material inspection. Each raw material is inspected thoroughly to ensure it meets our quality standards before being used in production. Quality checking. Throughout the manufacturing process, our products undergo rigorous quality checks to ensure they meet our high standards. Cutting. Raw materials are cut to the required size and shape using advanced cutting machinery, ensuring precision and accuracy. Shaping. Components are shaped according to design specifications, using techniques such as bending and shaping. Grinding. Components undergo a grinding process to smooth edges and surfaces, ensuring a perfect finish. Drilling. Holes are drilled into components as needed, ensuring proper assembly and functionality. Welding. Components are welded together by skilled technicians using the latest welding techniques, ensuring strength and durability. Pressing. Components are pressed into shape using hydraulic presses, ensuring uniformity and precision in our products. Painting. Components are painted using high-quality paints and coatings, ensuring a durable and attractive finish. Powder coating. Some components undergo a powder coating process, where a dry powder is applied and then heated to create a durable finish. All components are assembled by skilled technicians, ensuring that each product meets our high standards of quality and reliability. Packaging. Products are carefully packaged to protect them during transit, using high-quality packaging materials. Labeling. Each product is labeled with relevant information, such as product details and handling instructions. Dispatching. Products are dispatched to customers in a timely and efficient manner, ensuring prompt delivery. Loading. Products are loaded onto trucks or containers using specialized equipment, ensuring they are securely placed for transportation. Our product range includes a wide variety of categories, such as hospital furniture, including ICU beds, OT tables, and delivery tables, medical equipment, including medical refrigerators and laboratory equipment, blood bank equipment, clean room equipment, and mortuary equipment. Each product category undergoes a meticulous manufacturing process, ensuring that they meet the highest standards of quality and reliability.
Our commitment to quality extends beyond our products to our manufacturing processes. We are constantly investing in research and development to improve our products and manufacturing techniques. This commitment to excellence has helped us become a leader in the healthcare industry, trusted by healthcare professionals around the world.
Thank you for watching our video and joining us on this journey through SK Scientific and Surgicals. We're more than just a manufacturer, we're your partner in healthcare excellence. Contact us today to learn more about how our products and solutions can benefit your healthcare facility.